Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cold water will clean dirty clothes just fine, but it won't sanitize them. In order to properly sanitize sheets, clothes and items like cloth diapers, you need to use very, very hot water. 14 May 2020.
Take our lead.
Vinegar doesn't work well as a disinfectant. According to EPA standards, a disinfectant should be able to kill 99.9% of disease-causing bacteria and viruses. Vinegar only works against some germs, like E. coli and Salmonella. 5 August 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
According to these laundry, cleaning and sanitization experts, laundry sanitizers are not needed to protect against the viruses that cause colds, the flu and COVID-19. Clean and disinfect clothes hampers, appliances and other surfaces that have had contact with the soiled laundry. 9 October 2020.
Take our lead.
White vinegar has an ingredient known as acetic acid, which can kill viruses and bacteria so they can be easily washed away during the cleaning cycle. A half cup of white vinegar can act as a disinfectant and a deodorizer, removing those pesky germs and working to soften your fabrics. 14 July 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
In its medical literature, the Food and Drug Administration states that hot water comfortable enough for washing hands is not hot enough to kill bacteria, but is more effective than cold water because it removes oils from the hand that can harbor bacteria. 12 October 2009.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.